It's Friday, our most favourite day of the week, and not just because it's the weekend, but because it's Fun Fact Friday. Yes, every Friday the virtual classroom coach brings you an amazing or fun fact about the world of L&D. Some of it really useful and some of it not. But it's another great reason to get to the end of the week. So here we go with the first ever Fun Fact Friday. So in 2015, not that long ago, the mobile learning industry was worth $7.98 billion. And by the end of 2019, it had grown to $27.32 billion. Wow. But due to the COVID pandemic, experts are predicting that the mobile market will rise to $37.6 billion. Woo! There you go. That's your Fun Fact Friday for this week. Bet you want another? Next Friday.